Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this lecture, Trainee, you will learn about how to set up your domain with CloudFront. Let's set up our domain with it. You can purchase a domain right from the AWS console by heading to the Route S3 section in the list of services. Purchase a domain with Route 53. Type in your domain in the register domain section and click check. After checking its availability, click add to cart and hit continue at the bottom of the page. Fill in your contact details and hit continue once again. Finally, review your details and confirm the purchase by hitting complete purchase. Next, you will add alternate domain for CloudFront distribution. Head over to the details of your CloudFront distribution and hit edit. And type in your new domain name in the alternate domain name CNAMES field. Scroll down and hit yes, edit to save the changes. Next, let's point our domain to the CloudFront distribution. Point domain to CloudFront distribution. Head back into Route 53 and hit the hosted zones button. If you don't have an existing hosted zone, you will need to create one by adding the domain name and selecting public hosted zone as the type. Select your domain from the list and hit create record set in the details screen. Leave the name field empty since we are going to point our bar domain without the www to our CloudFront distribution. And select yes since we are going to simply point this to our CloudFront domain. In the target drop down, select your CloudFront distribution. Finally, hit create to add your new record set. Add Ipv6 support. CloudFront distribution have Ipv6 enabled by default, and this means that we need to create an AAA record as well. It is set off exactly the same way as the device record. Create a new record set with the exact setting as before, except make sure to pack AAA Ipv6 address as the type and hit create to add your AAA record set. It can take around an hour to update the DNS records, but once it's done, you should be able to access your app through your domain. Please feel free to give your comment if you face any difficulty here.